Hi, it's Will from Pickup Media, and today I'll be answering the question of what's the difference between the reflection table and the shadow table. So let me show you exactly what the difference is. Let's put the reflection table into GemLightbox. Simply slide it in. Get your smartphone ready. Now every time before we shoot, we always have to wipe the lens because there's always going to be some dirt or oil stuck onto it. Turn the phone to camera mode. Let's say we are shooting this ring today. Place the object in the center. Reflector goes in front. Tap to focus. Zoom in, center. Brighten up as needed and capture. Now, as you can see, the reflection table creates a subtle reflection underneath the product. Just like that. Now, let's do a demonstration using the shadow table. Reflector comes off, product out, shadow table in. Again, jewelry goes inside, reflector back on. Again, tap to focus, brighten up as needed, and capture. This is the result. We get a subtle shadow underneath the item. Shadow table, reflection table. The more common option is to use the shadow table, and that's because when you're shooting 100 objects, the reflection table creates different kind of reflections for different objects. So if you can imagine, we shot 100 rings, all different shapes and sizes. The reflections on some would take up 15% of the image, some would take up 5%, some would take up 30%. So when we have 100 images next to each other, the reflection table will create different size reflections which might not look consistent. Whereas with the shadow table, we will always have just a small little shadow underneath. Any questions? Leave a comment below. Thank you.